Here is the brain of somebody who does not have dementia. And they're quite heavy because they actually represent how heavy the brains really are. Surprising how heavy they are. So this is, as I said, a brain without dementia, and here we have a comparison. This is somebody who does have Alzheimer's. So there are lots of different types of dementia. Alzheimer's is the most common that we see. And in Alzheimer's, the proteins that accumulate in and around the neurons in the brain actually kill the cells. And then as the disease spreads through the brain, that tissue shrinks. So people can lose up to 1/3 of the weight of their brain through this disease. And this weight difference can actually be felt in the models. And I think these models will provide an amazing resource for people who want to learn more about dementia, because you can actually feel the physical changes that take place. You can feel the difference in the weight, and you can see how the tissue has shrunk. And you can also see, very cleverly, you can also see inside the brain. So you can see what changes take place inside the brain as well. So this is going to be absolutely amazing. I really suggest you try to come see these if you can. One of the things about Alzheimer's is that in this part of the brain, this is called the temporal lobe, and in this part of the brain is the hippocampus, which is the part of the brain that changes short-term memories into long-term memories. And this is the part of the brain where the disease actually starts in Alzheimer's. So one of the symptoms that we most associate with Alzheimer's is memory loss.